Welcome to our channel again. So today in this video we are going to see one of the very important Terraform errors. Okay, so which is Terraform Provider Error, which is Terraform requires an explicit configuration. Okay, so what is this error is all about and why this error is happening, and we are going to see the demo that by creating some very small resource, which is resource group in Azure, and then we are going to see that so why this error is coming and how are we going to fix it. Okay, so let's straight go into our Terraform configuration. So in the last video, if you have seen that, so we have just done the Terraform, so Terraform initialize and everything we have done. So for now, if you can see this one, okay, so there is no other Terraform provider configuration been added. So I'm just trying to do a Terraform init here. Okay, so the Terraform init is successfully initialized, right? We already have a Terraform initialization files, which is provider files, is already been there, right? So we have already discussed all these things in the last classes. So today in this video we are going to do Terraform plan. Okay, so whenever you do Terraform plan, the no changes, your infrastructure matches the configuration, because so there is no Terraform configuration files or Terraform configuration resources are there. Okay, so I'm going to create one of the resources section, so resource, and so the resource is going to be Azure rm underscore resource group, uh, c underscore group. Okay, so this is the so this is the Terraform my configuration. I'm trying to create Azure RM resource group. Okay, so now, so the name of the resource group is going to be, okay, so the cloud institution, the double quotes, cloud, okay, cloud institution, and I'm going to give the same name over here. Okay, it doesn't matter, you can give any other names, and the location. So location is going to be okay, so West Europe. It can be anything, right? So we have so many different regions out there, so it can be anything. So here you can see I've created one Terraform, the Terraform configuration, which is where I've added Terraform providers, which is Azure RM I've added, and then I just added the resource. The resource section is going to be Azure RM resource group, and then the name is going to be cloud institution, and the name of the resource group. Okay, this is the resource group. I mean, this is the resource name. Okay, but this is the name of the resource group itself, right? So the location is going to be West Europe. So the moment when you do Terraform plan again, okay, so it's going to give me one of the famous errors, right? It's kind of a very common error whenever you're working on the Terraform. So it's telling that provider requires explicit configuration. Okay, add a provider block to the root module, and the concept provider required argument described in the provider documents. Okay, so it's just give me some kind of a suggestions. Okay, so how are we going to fix this error now? Okay, so if you want to fix this error, as it is suggesting, okay, so we need to have that feature is required. Feature section has to be mentioned. Now, so I'm going to add one more provider section. Okay, so the provider is equal to Azure RM, Azure RM. Okay, Azure RM, and inside that I'm going to give features. Okay, the features, and I'm leaving it blank. Okay, so now if I do Terraform plan again, let's see what's going to happen. All right, so that error has disappeared. Okay, as soon as I added the Terraform, Terraform feature section. Okay, so provider Azure RM feature section. So this provider explicit configuration error is gone. Okay, so now we are going to give me another another error, which is subscription ID is required. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add the subscription ID over here. Okay, and then I'm going to give the subscription. So how am I going to find subscription? Which subscription I have to use? Okay, so as you can see, if you follow my previous sessions, so we have just given that easy account show, right? So easy account show is the command, so which will show us which Azure CLI account we have been configured with. Okay, it's taking some time. Okay, so now we have configured with this particular account, right? So I'm going to copy this subscription ID. This is subscription ID of my account. Okay, I'm going to copy this subscription ID and I'm going to add it over here. So now I'm going to do Terraform plan again. Okay, sometimes, so most of the times, right, like it's take a lot of time to create this resources, so the Terraform plan itself will take some time. It depends upon your internet connectivity, and also, like, so is sometimes it depends upon, so the speed of your computers, right? So like, so resource Azure RM resource group and cloud institution is going to be creating. Okay, so if you do Terraform apply, it's going to create my resource, whatever the resource I've been specified over here. Okay, so this is how, so if you can give yes, it's going to create a resource group. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to show you that what is a resource group and how to create resource group. All this kind of information I'm going to give it to you. Please stay tuned. But for now, so in this specific video, we have just recovered this error, which is so Azure RM, so Azure RM requests the explicit configuration error. Okay, so what we have done with this video is that we have given the provider section, which is Azure RM, and then the subscription ID, and then the feature section. Okay, so adding all these things will solve the error of the Terraform, the required explicit configurations. Okay, so that's all about this video. Okay, hope this video was helpful for you. Okay, so please subscribe to our channel for future videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next video, that is how to create a resource group using Terraform. Okay, thank you guys.